Upgrade Geely Boyue factory radio. First, we remove the right side panel of the center console. Then remove the center console silver trim panel. Unscrew the screws fixing the main unit and take out the original car main unit. Loosen the screws and take out the original car screen. Then connect these wires too. Disassemble the 1-key start button of the original car and install it on the new panel. Then install the original car screen to the car. Disassemble and install the original car and outlet accessories on the new panel. Also installed on the original car. Done. Let's enjoy the effect.